y'all! A few months back we showed y'all our Hyperax RV rated rack that we use to carry our e-bikes. We use this one on our camper, our truck, and on the Subi. While the Volt RV23 has been a great transportation rack for us, Hyperax has recognized that some folks may not be able to lift these heavy bikes onto a high-sitting rack like this. So they've come out with a lift-assisted rack. The new Volt lift has an integrated lift assist ramp, making it much easier to load and unload your bikes. So instead of doing this, you can do this. The Volt lift was easy to assemble and it's easy to use. It comes with all of the high quality features that we expect from a reputable company like Hyperax. We'll put a link to their website in the description below where you can get more information and use our discount code to save you some money. If you're interested in the current Volt RV rack that we use, you can watch our video on that here. Let us know if you have any questions and go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're here so you don't miss out on our other RV related content. Thanks for watching, y'all.